How to introduce yourself in English. Introducing yourself is one of the most important skills in learning English. When you meet someone new, you want to make a good impression by saying who you are, where you are from, and more. This guide will teach you how to introduce yourself step by step in simple English. Step 1. Start with a greeting. The first thing to do when you meet someone is to greet them. A greeting is how you say hello to someone. Here are some common greetings. Formal greetings. Hello. Good morning. Use this before 12 p.m. Good afternoon. Use this between 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. Good evening. Use this after 5 p.m. Informal greetings. Hi. Hey. What's up? This is very casual. Examples. Hello, my name is Sarah. Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you. Step 2. Say your name. After greeting, tell the person your name. You can use these simple sentences. My name is your name. I am your name. I'm your name. This is shorter and more common in casual conversations. Examples. My name is Anna. I'm David. Step 3. Share where you are from. Next, you can tell the person where you are from. This helps them know more about you. Use these sentences. I am from your country city. I come from your country city. Examples. I am from Pakistan. I come from New York. You can also add more details. I am from Japan, but I live in Canada. I'm from India, a city called Delhi. Step 4. Talk about your job or studies. It's good to share what you do, like your job or if you are a student. Here are some simple phrases. If you have a job, I work as a job. I am a job. Examples. I work as a teacher. I am a doctor. If you are a student, I am a student. I study subject. Examples. I am a student. I study English. I'm studying computer science. If you don't work right now, I am looking for a job. I'm not working right now. Step 5. Share a little about yourself. To make your introduction more interesting, share something about yourself. You can talk about your hobbies. I like activity. My hobby is activity. Examples. I like reading books. My hobby is playing football. Your family. I have number brothers and sisters. I live with my family. Examples. I have one brother and 2 sisters. I live with my parents. Your favorite things. My favorite thing is name. Examples. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite color is blue. Step 6. Be polite and friendly. At the end of your introduction, say something polite or friendly. This will help the person feel comfortable talking to you. Examples. It's nice to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. Thank you for listening. Complete example. Let's put everything together. Here is a complete example of introducing yourself. Hello, my name is Maria. I am from Brazil. I work as a nurse. I like listening to music and cooking. My favorite color is green. It's nice to meet you. Tips for a good introduction. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Speak at a speed that is easy to understand. Smile. A smile makes you look friendly. Practice. Practice your introduction at home. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Use simple words. If you are not sure about a word, use an easier one. Listen to the other person. After you introduce yourself, listen to the other person's introduction. Practice questions. Here are some questions you can practice answering. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do in your free time? What is your favorite food, color, hobby? Practice exercise. Write your own introduction. Use the steps above. Here is a template to help you. Greeting. Name. My name is. Where you are from. I am from. Job or studies. I work as a. I study. Something about yourself. I like. Polite ending. It's nice to meet you. Example. Hi, my name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I work as a graphic designer. I like painting and watching movies. It's nice to meet you. Common mistakes to avoid. Speaking too fast. Take your time to speak clearly. Using complicated words. Use simple and common words. Forgetting to smile. Smiling makes a big difference. Being too quiet. Speak loud enough so the person can hear you. More examples. Hello, my name is James. I'm from Canada. I am a student studying engineering. I love playing basketball. It's great to meet you. Hi, I'm Sophie. I come from Australia. I work as a teacher. I enjoy reading books and traveling. Nice to meet you. Good morning. My name is Ahmed. I'm from Egypt. I am a doctor. In my free time, I like swimming and learning new languages. Thank you. Conclusion. Learning to introduce yourself is an important part of speaking English. It helps you start conversations and make new friends. Follow these steps, practice often, and soon you will feel confident introducing yourself in any situation. Remember to smile and be friendly. Good luck.